Polyglass, leading manufacturer of quality roofing and waterproofing material, introduces Mapeplan PVC, a high-performance thermoplastic roofing membrane engineered for durable, watertight protection across low-slope roofing applications. Powered by the global expertise of the MAPEI Group, Mapeplan has been trusted worldwide for nearly 2 decades, combining exceptional seam strength with hot-air welded seams, inherent fire resistance with self-extinguishing properties, resistance to chemicals, grease, and industrial contaminants, UV and weathering durability for long-term exposure, flexible formulation for easier installation, even in low temperatures. Reflective surfaces help reduce cooling loads and support energy goals. As a complete roofing system, the Mapeplan PVC product line includes a full range of compatible components, PVC membranes in multiple thicknesses and configurations, water-based and low VOC bonding adhesives, prefabricated accessories and flashing solutions for consistent detailing. From new construction to re-roofing, commercial applications include commercial and industrial facilities, food service and processing environments, healthcare and educational buildings, data centers, airports, and critical infrastructure. Mapeplan PVC systems offer installation options that adapt to your project needs. Adhered systems, delivering a smooth, clean roof surface with enhanced wind uplift resistance for demanding applications. Mechanically attached systems with inseam fastening and induction-welded options. Ideal for large commercial and industrial buildings, especially those with lightweight deck structures. Hybrid systems, paired with Polyglass LRF adhesives, combine the strength of bituminous roofing and the surface characteristics of PVC for fast installation and long-term adhesion. Mapeplan PVC, Polyglass's fully integrated roofing system, designed for durability, efficiency, and long-term protection from the deck up. Polyglass protects your building from whatever may come. For more information, visit polyglass.us.